folks, as you go through design of a new idea, you take steps and you record them on video. Well, it's hard to go back and correct that. So you've seen about 4 of my videos that lead to this finished product of the left and right turn signal indicator lights right here on the dash. And I did have to mount a hood there to shield from the sun. In real bright conditions, they get washed out if they're just pointing in an upward angle. Also, the LEDs are not directly pointing toward me, so the brightness is not as great as it would be if they were pointing straight toward my face. But here you can see they do give a nice blink, and left, right, and you'll notice I did change the right turn signal indicator from red to green. Green is a very good bright color that shows up well. We're going on a test ride. All right, let's go right. And I still have my indicator on the instrument panel. Let's go left up here. And the light isn't really real strong and bright. I think I'm going to go right and get the sun to come down on it stronger. Okay. Now, there is pretty washed out, but the sun is shining directly on it. But you can see there's the left one and the right one. That's probably the worst condition you could possibly get. And there's no shielding those lights. Hello, my neighbors out here. But under most conditions, this is going to be plenty visible, and the whole idea is to let you know when you're driving with your turn signals on. A lot of times, looking down at the instrument panel, there's glare, and you cannot really see those lights as much. Sometimes the steering wheel's in the way. But there you go. Now let's see, I'm going to go right. And we're going to see, now we're going into the sun. And we'll go left. You see, you get a good display. So I'm pretty happy with the way that's going to work. We'll go right. But you are going to need a little shield up there. And it's just a piece of material cut about 3 inches wide this way and about 2.5 inches this, and it's held in place by a Loctite tack putty, and it can be removed easily. It's painted black to blend with the dash. You can come up with your own imagination there, and you'll be fine. Now we're going to get out on highway conditions, and we're going to do a lane change or so and see how this works. Okay. Come up with your own idea of how this works for you, and experiment. You might make it a